The standing cuffed cable lat raise. Key considerations: the angle that the cable is coming in at in the bottom position here is about 90 degrees, so kind of in line with his elbow or just below that, ideally just below. The cuff is attached just below the elbow or wherever feels comfortable for Luke. Sometimes, if we've got quite a bit of mass in front of us here for whatever reason, it can be placed a bit further in front of us, or Luke can actually take his arm forwards or hinge backwards a little bit to create the same situation. As he goes through a couple of reps for us, we could start to ask, why have we got these climbing loops attached? Well, for most of you, if you pause there for us, Luke, these balls on the edge of the cable, if we don't have these guys, they start knocking together sometimes as we either get to here or we get a little further out. The climbing loops, if he goes for one more for us, just allow these guys to slide smoothly past each other and give you a much better rep experience. And this is the standing cuffed lat raise.